The 2025 Airstream Trade Wind travel trailer embodies the spirit of adventure and the comforts of home. With its robust design and enhanced off-grid capabilities, the Trade Wind caters to travelers who crave independence without sacrificing luxury. This review delves into the trailer's features, design, performance, and what sets it apart from its competitors. Design and build quality. Airstream's iconic aluminum shell remains the hallmark of the Trade Wind. The polished exterior not only offers timeless aesthetic appeal but also ensures durability and weather resistance. The aerodynamic design minimizes drag, enhancing fuel efficiency during towing, while the reinforced frame provides stability even in challenging terrains. Inside, the Trade Wind exudes modern sophistication. The interior features high-quality finishes, including handcrafted cabinetry, luxurious upholstery, and resilient flooring. The layout is optimized for comfort and functionality, ensuring that every inch of space is utilized effectively. With multiple floor plan options, the Trade Wind caters to couples, small families, and solo adventurers. Off-grid power and energy efficiency. One of the standout features of the 2025 Trade Wind is its advanced off-grid capability. The trailer is equipped with an 810Ah lithium battery bank, significantly exceeding the standard capacity found in most travel trailers. Paired with a 3000W inverter, this system allows the simultaneous use of high-wattage appliances such as the air conditioner and microwave, a feature rarely seen in off-grid trailers. Roof-mounted solar panels, offering up to 600 watts of power, ensure consistent energy replenishment during sunny conditions. These panels are complemented by a Victron-powered interior energy monitor, which is app-compatible, allowing users to track energy usage and manage consumption efficiently. Comfort and convenience features. Sleeping and living areas. The Trade Wind sleeping quarters prioritize comfort, with options for a queen-sized bed or twin beds. Memory foam mattresses and ample storage underneath the beds enhance practicality. The living area includes a convertible dinette that doubles as a sleeping space for additional guests. Large panoramic windows flood the space with natural light and provide stunning views of the surroundings. Kitchen. The kitchen is fully equipped for culinary enthusiasts. It features a 3-burner stove, convection microwave oven, and a large stainless steel sink. The refrigerator offers ample storage, with separate compartments for fresh and frozen items. The countertops are durable and spacious, providing enough room for meal preparation. Bathroom. The bathroom design in the Trade Wind rivals that of high-end homes. It features a full shower, porcelain toilet, and a vanity with storage. Skylights and high-quality fixtures add a touch of luxury while maintaining practicality. Climate control. The trailer's air conditioning and heating systems are designed to handle a wide range of climates. The QuietStream AC system operates efficiently and silently, ensuring a comfortable indoor environment without disturbing the peace. Connectivity and technology. Airstream has integrated modern technology into the Trade Wind to keep travelers connected. The trailer includes a pre-installed Wi-Fi booster and compatibility with LTE networks, making it easier to work remotely or stay in touch with loved ones. The smart control technology allows users to manage lights, monitor water levels, and control the climate through an app. The audio-visual setup includes a high-definition television and a premium sound system, ensuring entertainment options for rainy days or evenings indoors. Storage solutions. Storage is a key consideration for travelers, and the Trade Wind delivers in spades. The trailer includes spacious overhead cabinets, wardrobe closets, and hidden compartments under seats and beds. Exterior storage compartments are also available for larger items such as outdoor furniture, grills, and recreational gear. Performance and towing. The Trade Wind's lightweight aluminum shell and aerodynamic design make it easier to tow compared to bulkier trailers. At a dry weight of approximately 6,000 pounds, it is compatible with most mid-size SUVs and trucks. The dual-axle design and advanced suspension system ensure smooth towing, even on uneven terrain. Airstream's partnership with Dexter Axle brings an independent torsion axle suspension, reducing vibrations and enhancing stability. The trailer is also equipped with Goodyear Endurance tires and electric brakes for safety and performance. Safety features. Safety is paramount in the Trade Wind. Key features include backup camera. A factory-installed camera simplifies parking and maneuvering in tight spaces. Automatic emergency brakes. These provide additional stopping power during sudden braking. Carbon monoxide and smoke detectors, essential for ensuring safety during extended stays. Anti-sway hitch, enhances stability, particularly on highways and in windy conditions. What sets the Trade Wind apart? 1. Superior off-grid capabilities. With its 810Ah battery system and solar capacity, the Trade Wind allows travelers to venture into remote locations without worrying about energy limitations. 2. Luxury meets functionality. Airstream has seamlessly blended upscale amenities with practical features, ensuring comfort without unnecessary excess. 3. Build quality. The aluminum shell and high-quality interior materials ensure longevity and a high resale value. 4. Customizability. Multiple floor plan options and a range of color schemes make it easier for buyers to tailor the trailer to their preferences. Drawbacks to consider. While the Trade Wind excels in many areas, there are a few potential downsides. Price. Starting at around $125,000, the Trade Wind is a significant investment, placing it in the premium travel trailer segment. Weight. While lighter than many competitors, it still requires a capable tow vehicle. Maintenance. The high-tech systems may require specialized servicing, which could be a challenge in remote areas. Who is the Trade Wind best suited for? The 2025 Trade Wind travel trailer is ideal for adventurers seeking off-grid capabilities without sacrificing comfort. Families and couples looking for a luxurious yet practical travel solution. Full-time RVers who value quality, durability, and modern amenities. Conclusion. The 2025 Airstream Trade Wind travel trailer is a testament to Airstream's commitment to innovation and quality. Its advanced off-grid capabilities, luxurious interiors, and practical features make it a top choice for discerning travelers. While the premium price may deter some, those who invest in the Trade Wind are rewarded with a trailer that delivers exceptional performance and comfort, ensuring memorable adventures for years to come. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more exciting updates.